So when you go home in the evening, are you chefy? You do?
I do.
You go home
I
and you
cook.
make. You do.
I do.
You love it.
I love it.
Yeah.
It's my relaxation.
What's your background food-wise? Like, where'd you learn?
My mom. My
Your
mom
mom.
was just an absolute beautiful cook. And what I can't believe is not only did she make everything from scratch for our family every night, but she made a dessert every night.
She did.
I never got to that point. I feel like by the time I finished the meal, I didn't have energy for dessert. But she was a beautiful cook, and then I'm a retired Navy nurse, and I was stationed in Naples, Italy for a couple of years. And there, my Italian family across the hall, Anna taught me all her Italian cuisine. And then my dad's from Albania, so I learned Albanian and Greek food.
So your mom is what?
English and Scottish.
English and Scottish, because I was going to say you don't look Albanian to me.
I know, I don't
You
look
don't.
Albanian,
No.
but I love to cook Albanian food.
You do.
Shish kebab and tzatziki and
is
baklava.
Albanian. Ooh, really?
In Greek.
And Greek. So is it? So baklava is a Greek. It's usually Is it Turkish as well?
Turkish, Albanian, Greeks, all three make baklava.
Like a lot of phyllo.
Phyllo dough, a lot of butter.
A lot of butter. That's okay. Isn't it?
You know, being the retired nurse, I tell everyone I'm teaching and we use a lot of butter or a lot of cheese.
Yeah.
We are in Wisconsin,
Right.
but I tell them it's not the cardiac diet by any means.
Right. You have to. Well.
Gotta put a disclaimer there.
Right. They're at a class. It's fine. You know. And class-wise, is there a theme to the class they're taking usually?
We do different cuisines, yes, so they know when they're coming. It could be Greek night, French night, Italian night, Spanish.
they sign
like
up for
tonight is
all of them?
Spanish. Some people have come to 8, 10 classes. We don't market a lot. I find that it's word of mouth.
It is.
It's how people are hearing about us,
Yeah.
which is kind of cool.
Well, it looks like such a great place to do it.
Oh,
Doesn't it?
thank you.
Yeah. Congratulations.
I like my home.
I bet.
My home away from home.
No doubt. No doubt. So your husband's here?
Yes.
And he's going to introduce me to some vendors? Is that what I hear?
Yes, a couple of the artisans that use our commercial kitchen to make things for the public.
So your husband plays a role in this operation as well. Is there a division of labor?
There is.
And what's your expertise?
He's the business side and I'm the chef side.
Yeah.
So I'm all about the food, the menus, creating the classes.
Is he ever like too much? No, we're not going to do that.
No, I have to tell you, he loves being a part of this, and
good.
I am so grateful because I don't think I could do it by myself. I know I couldn't do it by myself.
Right.
I need him, and with the artisans, he helps with the business side.
Great.
And I help with any culinary questions if some of them need it. So it's a good team.
Do you have room for other vendors to come in?
Yes.
You
we
do. So
a few more.
Oh, you do? A couple more?
Yes.
So if somebody
Yes.
called and said, I saw this show and you're not going to be saying, no,
No.
we don't have room.
Depends on, we are a 24/7 kitchen.
Oh, good.
So we've got people like a baker that comes in at 3 in the morning and is there till 7.
Yeah.
I have someone who sells hot dogs out at night.
Yeah.
So he starts at 10 at night, finishes at 2 in the morning.
It's a schedule, though.
So it's 24/7, but they do schedule. It's online, they schedule their kitchen time.
So good.